Hello guys! So ayun na nga, saan nga ba kami nagstay nung nag-Davao kami? Okay, quick kwento muna bago kami magsamal kasi nito. Kasi ang ganda rin ng pinagstayan namin dito sa Davao. So before kami tumawid ng Samal, we stayed one night here sa Airbnb na to. And honestly, sobrang good choice talaga siya. Una sa lahat, first of all, super convenient ang location. Like, malapit sa kainan, malapit sa palengke, sa convenience stores, and madali lang din mag-book ng ride papuntang port kinabukasan. And then, alam nyo ba guys, like, 5 to 10 minutes lang siya from airport, tapos dun sa Sasa Wharf, parang nasa 2 to 5 minutes lang din siya. So, pagpasok mo pala, ang linis. Alam mo yung vibe na, or feeling na, okay, pwede na ako magpahinga dito. Ganong effects, ganun. May maliit na living area, may dining table, and may little kitchen area pa. So, nakapag-store kami ng drinks, snacks, and breakfast for the next day. And as you can see, ang luwag din ng mga rooms nila, guys. 4 packs nga pala kami dito. The bedroom was cozy, malamig yung aircon, malambot yung bed, which is honestly all you need before a travel day. May hot shower, may malinis na CR din guys, may fresh towels. So after a long day of travel, so talaga namang makakapag-chill pa kayo. And what I really like was tahimik yung place, hindi maingay, hindi magulo, so nakatulog talaga kami ng maayos. And as you can see, this is our view guys, may balcony view kami. Ang ganda, ang sarap mag-swimming, kaso nga wala na kaming time nung araw na yan. So, hindi kami nakapag-swim. So, if you are planning to go to Davao, to Samal, and you need a place to stay before that trip, goods na goods talaga tong Airbnb na to. Super perfect siya for couples, friends, or even solo travelers na gusto lang ng maayos at tahimik na place to rest. So ayun, just wanted to share this little stay with you guys kasi naging part din siya ng magandang travel experience namin. Okay, next clip, Samal Island tayo! So ayun lang guys, babush! Thank you for watching!